Good evening, everybody. Respected Chairman, members of the Board of Trustees, distinguished guests, and my dear friends, today is a moment of immense pride, gratitude, and reflection as we celebrate 25 years of the visionary dream of our beloved founder, the late Sri Nandamuri Taraka Rama Rao Garu. His vision was very simple, but yet very profound, which was to ensure that every cancer patient, irrespective of social or economic status, would have access to quality cancer care delivered with compassion and dignity. I've been privileged to be a part of this extraordinary journey from a humble beginning with just over 100 beds to it becoming one of the largest centers in this country with more than 700 beds now. It's been a very rewarding and enriching experience to be a part of a team that embodies these values and ideals of this hospital, which is clinical excellence, compassion, teamwork, and unwavering commitment to patients. As the hospital has grown, we have all grown with it. Yet, when I reflect on these years, the most meaningful memories that we have are not of buildings, technology, or numbers. They are of people. The grateful smile on the face of a patient who throughout treatment was beyond their reach. The relief in a family's eye when hopes return. The moments remind us of why this institution exists. As we celebrate the achievements of the last 25 years, the question before us is what not we have achieved, but what we must achieve in the next 25 years. We must continue to expand access, advance research, embrace innovation, train the next generation of oncologists, and most importantly, ensure that every patient who comes to us receives the highest standard of care with compassion. The Trust Board, under the dynamic leadership of Sri Nandamuri Balakrishna Garu, have been extraordinarily supportive of every initiative that we have taken, standing by us during troubled times, responding promptly to all the challenges and enabling growth at every stage. Finally, I consider it a profound privilege and honor to have treated thousands of patients over these years. The truth is that they who have given me this privilege and opportunity to be a part of their difficult journey. They have given us the opportunity to serve, to learn, and to grow. As we look forward to the future, let us recommit ourselves to the vision that started it all, a vision of excellence, compassion, and service. In the first 20 years have been remarkable. I am confident that the next 25 years will be transformational. Thank you, and congratulations to everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.